म्यूजिक तो सब सुनते हैं, लेकिन जब क्लैरिटी और पावर दोनों मिले, that's when you know your car audio is truly upgraded. This is the Hydra Tunex-65, 6-inch imported coaxial speakers built to perform. Engineered with advanced Indian technology and powered by a Y30A grade Strontium Ferrite magnet, it delivers crystal clear sound with a strong 90 decibel output. That rich, punchy audio comes from its wooden enclosure, which not only enhances acoustics but also adds durability. With 625-watt peak power and 100-watt rated handling, it's made for those who want every beat, every note just right. Matte finish, clean design, and universal fit for all car models. Hydra Tunex-65 is the perfect balance of style and sound. Whether it's your daily drive or a long road trip, Hydra Tunex-65 brings a level of sound that transforms the way you listen. Hydra, built for those who expect more from every mile.